So this is the Camlock kit that connects to our Apex Xcess valve. The kit comes with a 3-metre piece of hose. It also comes with 3 anchor fittings, including the Camlock connection. So in the box you've got your 3 fittings. The right angled fitting is the one that connects with the end of the hose. Screw that on nice and tight. So now you've got your right angle fitting, which screws into your Camlock. Now we've made that a right angle fitting, so that slips in nicely underneath the Xcess valve to clip on for your water source. We've included the flexible hose just 3 metres, so you can bring the hose out of the trough once you've connected the Camlock to your valve. We haven't used rigid lines, so there's not stress and strain on the valve when you connect to it. So at the other end of the flexi hose you've got a connection, 15mm anchor fitting, and now that's screwed on there nice and tight, you've got a connection to take off to your other fittings.